welcome back to the channel. Filming Life at Sea Season 2 has been game-changing and life-changing for me. Recording each and every moment, each and every special event, and each and every day when I was out at sea and being able to share that with you has been truly fantastic. I'm overwhelmed by the support that I get on this channel. And honestly, I never ever imagined I would be in this space that I am today. This season was truly fantastic and my journey as a seafarer is going to continue. This is the last episode of Life at Sea Season 2. I just wanted to take a minute to thank all you guys for everything you guys have done for me and for all the love that you've shown to the channel. We will be continuing this part of my channel and this series in the near future as my journey as a seafarer is far from over. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.